Yeah, what up YouTube? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. We're on to box number 3, Topps Finest 2009 baseball. So, here it is, 09 Finest. I'll start with the front box, work my way to the back. I'll keep that right there. So here it is. You get 6 packs in the box. I'm hoping for a David Price, because if you got anyone who's watching this video, I'm collecting David Price, so let me know. Alright, good luck to everyone here. Pack number 1. Right, we got a green refractor for the Red Sox, Dustin Pedroia. It's numbered at a 99. There you go, Jackie D. Next up, we got a refractor of Brian Roberts for the Orioles.
And then when you think of the defenses that he played against, only one of them got after him and they really exposed him. But they will not see him to be an NFL player. Do the Jets have enough to hide him and protect him?
Right, then we got a rookie card for the Indians, Scott Lewis. It's not numbered. And we have a redemption card. You are due to receive a certified autograph rookie letter patch refractor of Travis Snyder. So he's actually a really good player. So there you go. I believe he's on the Blue Jays, if I'm correct. Yeah, the Blue Jays he's on. So Travis Snyder. That's actually he's a good prospect. We got an Ichiro blue refractor for the Mariners, numbered at a 399. So Travis Snyder autograph, first mini box that I've actually ever done of 09 Finest. Next we got a refractor for the A's, a rookie of Aaron Cunningham. It's not numbered. And the final pack of mini box number 1 will be a red refractor for the Indians, Johnny Peralta, numbered at a 25. There you go, Indians. And then we have a rookie of Jesus Delgado for the Marlins. And actually, we also have a Travis Snyder again for the Jays. Sorry, I missed that. Just a regular rookie card. So, there's mini box number 1. Travis Snyder. Really good autograph. Alright, here we go, guys. Mini box number 2. Good luck. I'm hoping David Price auto here. Let's see it. I'll flip him over. All right, we have a Matsuzaki for the Red Sox refractor, Jackie D. This one feels really, I don't know if that's the hit, but that feels really that feels thick, so I'll throw that on the bottom. We got a blue refractor for the Rockies, Garrett Atkins, numbered at a 399. And then we have a rookie of Andrew Carpenter for the Phillies. For the Cubs, refractor, Derek Lee, not numbered. Right, we got number 6, which will be raffled off at the end, guys. Number 6 draft pick. And then we have a blue refractor numbered out of 399 for the Twins, Justin Morneau. And Chris Lambert rookie card for the Tigers. Blue refractor, Cole Hamels for the Phillies, numbered out of 299. And our final pack of 2009 Topps Finest Baseball. Let's see what it is. All right, we got for the Giants, Connor Gillespie. Connor Gillespie for the Giants, auto numbered out of 75. So that's for the Giants. And then we got a rookie, Jason Mott, for the Cardinals. And that is it for box number 3, 2009 Finest. Nice Jason Snyder. So there it is, box number 3 coming back at you. Box number 4, Exquisite 07.